So today for each problem you're choosing between a strategy either diagramming, using the multiply by the reciprocal strategy or common denominator strategy, and we're just going to talk really quick about when each strategy is best. So for a problem like this, where you have the same denominator for the dividend and the divisor, it often makes sense to diagram it out. So we could easily draw 4 1/4. It would look like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1/4, and then I can just count. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 fourths. So that equals 17. And that took me 30 seconds. So I think when you are using the same denominator, it's often really helpful, and when there's a unit fraction here, to diagram. So that's a really good time to use a diagram, is when you are doing a same denominator division problem. For this problem, you might notice the denominators are not the same, but they're pretty similar. We know that we can make these fourths into eighths. So this one would be a great one for common denominator. I'm just going to rewrite it as 3/8 divided by, and I know that 2/4 is equal to 4/8 already, divided by 4/8, and then I just know that's 3/4. So again, that's a lot faster than rewriting the whole problem, because I know those denominators are really similar. Eighths and fourths can easily be converted into each other. But when I look at this problem, I don't really know right off the top of my head what number 9 and 7 both go into. I know it's going to be a really large number, so changing those numbers to have the same common denominator will be kind of a pain. I'm going to have to do a lot of multiplication. So for this one, it's really nice to use multiply by the reciprocal, and I just get 35/27. So when the denominators are nothing alike, I really prefer the multiply by the reciprocal strategy. So just to review, same denominator, try diagramming it. If you can't diagram it, then you can move on to a different strategy. If you have similar denominators, numbers that you can easily tell how many times one of those denominators goes into the other, you might want to do common denominator strategy. It'll be pretty fast. And if neither of those things seem true, your denominators are they don't really go into each other, they don't have any easy common multiples, then you might want to use the multiply by the reciprocal strategy.